Thank you so much for joining, guys. I really appreciate it. So today I'm going to talk about three stocks, two stocks that I'm buying, and one that I'm watching and I want to buy. So I'm going to talk about the three stocks analysis and what buy price do I come up with, and what do I think return on investment on these three stocks based on today's stock price. All right. So my name is Wayne. This is my channel, Think Money Tree. And in terms of stocks, I'm the value investor. I do try to follow other super investor like Warren Buffett and take all their information and the strategies and try to formulate what I like and what works for me. My mission is to bring financial freedom to my viewers like you guys, which means living off your investment and living off just on the passive income from your stock, crypto, or real estate investment. All right, is that what you after then? Subscribe to my channel. All right, let's get started. So the first one I'm going to look at is Celanese, CE. And let's have a quick look at price history. So from all-time high, Celanese price was at $172, it's right here, to now at $126, which is down by about 26%. Is it the right time to buy now? So that's what we're going to discuss today. So looking at the financial for Celanese, margin is 20% and average growth, revenue growth is around 15%. If you look at the details here, so the revenue versus earning is around 14.68%. And if you look at the market cap versus earning, which is about 10.36%, and the cost of goods sold is about 75.49%. And the target buy price with 11% return on investment, ROI, is $166. And if we look at 13% return on investment, so ROI 13% is about $140. And if you are really bullish on Celanese, and if you think Celanese revenue is going to grow by about 15% for the next 5 years on average, the target buy price will be what, $198. All right, so let's look at the company overview. So in my calculation, I use estimated revenue of 10% and estimated revenue versus earning of about 14%. So why did I use the revenue growth 10%? So if we look at it, the revenue, average revenue for the last about 3 years have been about 15%. But I use 10% because I put a bit of margin of safety. And let's quickly look at the Celanese revenue history. So if you look at it, this is Celanese revenue. In 2022, the revenue grown by about 13.31%, and 2021, 50%. So that's a huge jump. And before that, it was negative growth. 2020, 2019, and 2018, it was 16.53%. So if you want to take the average for the next 5 years, I assume the revenue can grow by about 10% on average for the next 5 years. So in terms of revenue versus earning, if you look at this one here, the revenue versus earning, this is for last year, was 14.68%. But in the past, they have been getting about 15, 16%. We can assume that they can achieve 10% on average in the next 5 years. With this estimate, so my target buy price is at $166. With Celanese today's stock price of $124, the return on investment will be about 33%. And I'm actually looking at buying next week on Monday or Tuesday. All right, let's look at the next one. The next one is Tesla. I put Tesla in here because I really want to own Tesla. I think they are a good technology company. They have a great future, and they're growing by about 51% every year. And if we look at Tesla price in the last month, it was at $293, and now down to $142. It's down by about 17.28%. So is it time to buy now? All right, let's go back and look at my spreadsheet again. So the margin for Tesla is about 15%. And if you look at, as I said before, the revenue growth is about 51%. So for my target buy price, I use estimate revenue growth of 40% every year for the next 5 years. That's on average. And the target price is only $139. So let's have a look at Tesla revenue history and see how much growth they had in the past. So in the last few years, if you look at it, 2021 and 22, it's grown by about 51%. Before that, 2021, 70%. 2020, 28%. To have a bit of margin of safety, I just use 40% on average for the next 5 years, 40% growth, revenue growth. And so if we want return on investment, ROI of 13%, the target buy price for Tesla is $117. And if you are bullish on Tesla and if you think they're going to grow by about 50%, target price is around $164. So if we look at the overview, so estimate revenue growth 40% and revenue versus earning 16%. So Tesla have been achieving revenue versus earning of about 15 to 17% in the past. So I believe they can achieve this 16%. Target price is $139, and Tesla share price today is $242. So if you buy with the price today, it's negative 42%. All right, let's look at the next one. Next one is LA Financial. And LA Financial actually a bank, so there's no cost of goods sold. I couldn't find any on the internet. So the margin is about 20%, and LA Financial revenue versus earning is around 17.74%. So this is they have a decent earning versus revenue, and my target price is $50. That's using 4% revenue growth for the next 5 years on average. And if we look at return on ROI, return on investment of 13%, the target price is around $42. And if you're bullish and if you think the revenue is going to grow by about 8%, the target price, buy price is $60. So on average, in the last few years have been about 8%. Let's have a quick look at LA Financial revenue growth history. All right, so in the past, if you look at it, 2019, before 2019 it was negative, 2019, 8%, and 2020, the revenue growth is about 3.58%, and 2021, 16.65%, and 2022, 4.82%. So it's all over the place. So that's why I use the revenue growth of 4% for the next 4 years on average. So I believe they can achieve this 4%. So with this revenue growth, estimate revenue growth of 4% and revenue versus earning ratio of 16%, target price $42. Today price is $28.82. So that's about 47% return on investment if you buy with today price. And just to let you know, guys, I bought LA Financial stock on Friday. My average buy price is around $28.90. And the two stocks that I'm buying is LA Financial and the Celanese CE. But for Tesla, I really want to own Tesla stock, but according to my calculation, it's overpriced. So I'm not buying Tesla yet. I'm just going to wait for the price to come down a bit more. Maybe when it get to about 150 or 160, I might look at buying Tesla. And just to let you know, guys, this is based on my calculation. It doesn't mean that you just go out and buy these stocks. You should do your own research before buying any stock. And this doesn't mean the stock price gonna go shoot up like a rocket as well. But from my experience, the price should catch up to the actual value of the company and their valuation. That's all for today, guys. And thank you so much for joining, guys. And I really appreciate it. And before you guys leave, don't forget to press like and subscribe my channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye-bye.